Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which device comes. So first we'll just open the box. Here, as can you see, we got like the paper case to the tablet. Also we got here the Samsung pen, just you can use it if you want. Also we got here the charger brick, the original Samsung charger brick with all of the specs. You can check them if you want. Also we got here the what's it, that's USB cable, Type-C USB cable. And also here we got the SIM tool and some of the papers work inside of this paper box. So that's it. There are all box accessories with which device comes. And if you find this video helpful, thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.